me look into your eyes and tell you the comfort you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Minnie and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I wrap my old bangle with an African fabric.
I never seen love like this. Lyrics get in love with a poor man's song. It's better for me to mislead you in honesty than for me to tell you lies.
So I'm about to start wrapping my bangle. I'm using a strip of fabric and the bangle I am using is old, but I got it from the nearby hair store. So you can check any store around you, any hair store around you to see if they get something like this. You don't have to use the exact same bangle I am using, but you need something that will hold the fabric when you're wrapping it.
For me to tell you lies. So I say my mind, my papel,
So for this part, you're gonna make sure to wrap super tight, and then also keep your hands tight on the bangle while putting the fabric.
I live inside Zingra. I operating with Gakutere. For you, you live inside mansion. You operating with LEC. I hardly go to school. School fit turn up where my phone. For you, like I can carry you to school. Your man a be you shitaya. Your papa na sign you to entire. Like what do you see on me? Like me you just behind me, baby. She said I love her, baby I love her. She said I love her, I love her, baby I love her. She said I love her, baby I love her, I love her. She said I love her, baby I love her. She said I love her. I wanna know if this love is divine.
The piece of fabric that left, I'm gonna sew it inside so it can show. For this part, some people use glue, but I prefer the sewing.
Baby, I love her. I love her. She said I love her. Baby, I love her. She said I love her. I wanna know if this love is divine. I want to know if this love is confide. I wanna know, baby. I wanna know if this love is divine. I want to know if this love is confide. I wanna know, baby. Your friend and say I won't get nothing. Now what do you see on me? That made you trap behind me. Yeah, the papi not told you tired. Your woman not slap you, she tired. Now what do you see on me? That made you trap behind me. She said, I love her.